Breakerbroke23, another unboxing video here. So, I am kind of fascinated by these smaller Bluetooth receiver slash headphone preamp receivers. I like the idea of being able to have Bluetooth receiver with analog output, so you could go Bluetooth in, analog out to your stereo receiver or preamp. And this also has a built-in DAC, so you could plug maybe your TV or something into this and then use this to mate to your old stereo receiver. I like having the volume level control for your headphones and the RCA. So I saw another one on Amazon, and I've actually had a few people ask me to review this, and so I figured, okay, I will. You ask and I shall do. So this is the, I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce this right, this is the PROZOR Bluetooth DAC. Oh wow, it's even smaller than the My Pin. So, volume control. Good, it's not a rotary encoder, so it's a real volume pot. Looks like 1/4 inch headphone out. This is a transmitter and receiver, which I like because I'm looking for another good transmitter. It has the proper SMA connector. It's not a reverse polarity SMA. I already like that. So that's kind of neat. Transmit 1 and 2 outputs for Bluetooth, so you could more than likely dual. I haven't done my homework on this, so I'm just kind of winging it, guys. Throw me a bone here. It has my favorite style of power connector, the proper polarity SMA, optical coaxial inputs, analog output. That's a pretty compact little bugger right there, I'll tell you that. So that's pretty neat. What comes in it? So we get the unit, the antenna, a USB to, what is that, 5.2 or 5.5 millimeter connector, get an owner's manual slash user's manual, and a little length of optical cable. That feels pretty good. If I remember right, this was $42. I'm going to leave a link to it down below. You guys can do your homework with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it through its paces, and then I'll do a review video on that and tell you guys what I think about that. So there you go, the PROZOR. Is there a model number to that? Hey, look at this, guys. Check this out. Look. Red is right, white is left, but they have it bass-ackwards here on the labeling. This should be red is right, so red should be right, should be here with a R for right, and left. That's backwards. Well, they're getting close. What did these guys do? Yeah, see, these guys have it labeled correctly, but I don't know what it is with these Chinese products, but they've got these backwards. This should be over here, right? It's just the way I'm used to it. But anyway, that's pretty cool. All right. That feels pretty nice. Okay, you guys, questions or comments down below? Thanks for watching.